Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And look what we have. We have a package from Madam Glam. Thank you, Madam Glam, for sending this over. Let's see what's inside. Bam, 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 bam. So, we do get a card. In case you weren't aware, Madam Glam is vegan, 21 free formula, cruelty-free, and palm oil-free. There are some QR codes here. I will zoom them in if you want to scan them. And then of course it does come with instructions. So prep your nails, apply base coat, apply 1 to 2 thin coats of gel color and cure after each one. Apply top coat and cure. And remove the tacky layer with a alcohol wipe or swipe. UV LED lamp required. Let's look at these beautiful colors. Okay, so these are 4 of 8 colors available in their new St. Patrick's Day collection. These are the ones that I picked out. I got a sparkly green, a sparkly gold, a cream, and a white-ish type color. Here are the tops, but we will be making swatches. Let's start with this one. This shade is called Blessing. I've got this swatch wheel we're gonna use. All right, let's have a look. So, Madam Glam polishes are truly high quality polishes. They are thick, but not too thick. They are creamy, their application goes on smoothly, they're self-leveling, so even if you're not the best painter, you can still get a really great finish. You just get it on there and then give it a moment to sit, and look how it just smooths out. It's not lumpy, it's not streaky, it's not patchy. That is just really a clean application, and it is very beautiful. This color is a white shade. It's not their perfect white shade, but it is white, and I think it goes really well with the season and the holiday and the colors that I picked to go with it. Next, let's have a look at this one. This one's called Good Luck. This green is so vibrant. I absolutely love it. It is the perfect shade for the holiday. It's so shamrocky. It's so Lucky Charms. I like this. I'm a big fan of greens, and this is definitely one of the green shades that speak to me. Look how opaque that is with just 1 coat. They do recommend 1 to 2. You can do 2, but do you really need to? I don't know. Maybe if it was a long nail, but I think that's really great that it looks so good with 1 coat, because then your product is going to go a lot further. There definitely will be links in the description to get you to Madam Glam, and I do have a discount code if you want to use that as well. This is a great investment brand. You can get so many colors, and they last a long time, especially when you're not having to waste product on unnecessary layers making thick nails. Now let's get into the sparkles. Let's look at this one. This one's called Shamrock Glow. Oh, wow. Look how beautiful that is. So this one's more of a metallic foil finish. It's glitter, but it's almost like a flaky type glitter. Look how stunning that is. It's got gold-ish iridescence with the green flecks, and I may be mistaken, but it looks like there may be a few blue specks in there as well, giving it so much dimension, so much sparkle. And look how deep it looks. Like, that's 1 coat, but it looks like I have multiple coats. It looks like that goes down into a well. I can definitely say that is one of my favorite polishes I have. And that's saying something, because I have a gazillion. Last but not least, we've got this gold one. It's called 24K. That's quite a popular name for gold polishes. I believe I have some other ones with the same name. Alright, so this one has that same type of finish, that glittery, foily, sparkly, shimmery finish. I've got a hair. Yuck. Let's put that on there. That is stunning. This is just the hint of sparkle and elegance that you're looking for. Pot of gold? Absolutely. Shimmering nightlife? definitely. Does it go well with these others? 100%. If you don't have a sparkly gold in your collection yet, this one is a winner. I would definitely recommend getting it. Look how it glistens. It's like a disco ball. It just shimmers with every movement. And this isn't even a reflective. This is just the sparkle that Madam Glam brings. That is so pretty. Truly, I am obsessed. So what do you guys think of the colors that I picked out? I am pleased with my selection. There were a few others, and I'll definitely include links again so that you can get to the collection. And it was really difficult to pick colors because they were all so beautiful, but I'm glad that I picked these, and they are in the color families that I prefer the most, so I'll get the most use out of them. And then, while they look beautiful on their own, you can still use these together for nail art. You can even add design on top of them. You can add rhinestones, you can add pearls, you can add charms. Whatever art you want to add to this, it's gonna go well. If you want to add gold accents, it goes beautifully with this gold polish. These sparkly greens, these creams, staple colors. If you want to add clear rhinestones or AB rhinestones, they're gonna look beautiful as well. It's really gonna pull the look together. A nice green shamrock charm with a set like this, gonna be perfect for the holiday. Let me know if you currently are a Madam Glam customer and what you think of their polishes. Thank you so much again, Madam Glam, for sending these over so that I could share these with my viewers. And thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. I appreciate all of it. It helps my channel, it helps the algorithm, it helps me, and it helps me make these videos for you, which I love to do. If you haven't noticed yet, I did start a second channel and social media presence in regards to finance. It's not going to be as involved as this channel. It's short form content, but I work in finance, if you didn't know, and I find myself talking about it all the time, and I love it. So I thought I would share my insider knowledge with you, because it took me way too long as an adult to learn these things because people just don't tell you stuff. So it is called Finance in 30 Seconds. If you're not subscribed, go on over here, hit subscribe. I'll leave a link for that in the description so you can find it easily if that's something you're interested in. It is mostly US finance information because that is where I'm based and that's where my knowledge is. So if it's a little bit different in your country, that's totally fine. I can only tell you what I know, but thank you again for being here. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.